Welcome to the English class. Today we'll begin with as I narrated the story of Nickel in Trouble. So today we'll be doing the adjective grammar topic, that is adjective, which is based on the chapter that is Nickel in Trouble, that is chapter number 4. Okay, let me begin, and it's a workbook exercise. First I'll explain you what is the adjective is all about. Adjectives are describing words. They describe a man, that is a person, place, or a thing. Means if a word is telling something about a person or a place or a thing, okay, then it is called as adjective. Such words are called adjectives. An adjective also gives information about the size, the shape, okay, the color, okay, origin, from where it is originated, or the material, children. Okay, so that we'll be doing in the fill in the blanks. Now, what is the definition of adjective? An adjective is a part of speech which describes, identifies, or quantifies a noun or a pronoun. For example, whatever I said, see, I'll explain you through example. For example, if somebody says, he was wearing a blue shirt. Here I am talking about the noun blue shirt. I am talking about shirt. How is the shirt? What is the color of the shirt? It's blue. ये shirt के बारे में बता रहा है. That is why the blue will be called as adjective. Okay, next. There are 7 rooms in the house. Okay, now here we are talking about the room. Okay, how many rooms? 7. So numbers also, colors also. It is telling about the color, it is telling about the number, telling about a person. All these words are adjectives. So 7 is a adjective, and a color is blue. Blue color is also adjective. Take some more example. An adjective describes a noun or a pronoun. ठीक है, वो क्या बताता है? वो word जो adjective word है वो क्या बताता है? What kind? Okay, which one? How many? Through examples we will learn. For example, happy dog. How is the dog? Happy. And what kind of dog? Yes, happy. ठीक है. The tired boy. Boy कैसा है? Tired हो गया. Which one? He is tired. The tired boy. I'm talking about a tired boy. What kind of dog he is? He is a happy dog. Which one you're talking about? I'm talking about tired boy. And how many? So this is related to, see, these are the questions we can say. Dash girls. 7 girls. How many girls? 7. So this happy word. Okay. Then this tired. And this 7. All these 3 words are adjective which tells about the noun. जो noun के बारे में बताता है. Now, here are some more. ठीक. Okay. See this. All the opposite words are adjective, beta. Young, old. Okay, here it is young, old. Okay, thin, fat, soft, hard. All these words are adjective. Okay. Here it is. She has a long hair. Here long hair. She has a short hair. So long and short is also adjective. All opposite words are adjective. Clean, dirty. Okay. Now we'll begin with the English, that is a page number 20, children. Page number 20. Okay. If there are 2 adjectives next to each other, we put a comma. Now we are going to put a comma. अगर एक से ज़्यादा adjective है, we have a more than one adjective, so we are going to put the comma between the 2 adjectives. Let us begin now. Add commas to the following questions. Following sentences, beta. A. The old grey tree was dying. Here we are talking about, which is a noun here? Tree is a noun. How is a tree? Old भी है. ठीक है? It is old also and it is grey also. So how is a tree? Old tree, grey tree. So 2 adjectives, that is old and grey. तो हमको क्या करना है? Old के बाद comma लगाना है. We have to put a comma after old. See, I am again teaching you, beta. After old, you have to put a comma. Like this. कैसे डाल देंगे आप comma? Like this. ठीक है? Between old and grey. Next one. He chose a short green shirt. Here we are talking about the noun shirt. और shirt कैसा है? Short and green. So after short we will put the comma. ठीक है बेटे? Next, the old brave warrior lay dead. Warrior means the soldiers who fights on the field, on the front side. Okay, they fight for their country. So here we are talking about the warrior, the soldier. And how was the soldier? Old or brave था, दो है. So after old I'll put a comma. With this pen I'm not able to put it properly. But a comma लगाना अच्छे से आप लोग. How you put a comma? Like this. ठीक है, वो ठीक से आया नहीं है. So I'll try to erase and put once again. Okay. Next, the room was dirty, dark and empty. My, how was the room? It was dirty, it was dark and empty. Yes, of course. So between the dirty and dark. Okay. Dirty and dark के बीच में comma आएगा. And remember, when you are ending more than two words and ending with the last word one more empty, usually we put and. For example, you went to the shop. आपने 3 चीज़ खरीदी, sharpener, pencil and rubber. How will you say? I bought a sharpener, comma, pencil and eraser. जब आपको ख़त्म करना रहता है तो आप and लगाते हो. So here this is what you have done. Dirty, dark and empty. But before and after and we never put the comma. ठीक है बेटा? Now, next. Okay. Now this is from the workbook. This previous one was from the book, English book, children. Wait, I'll sit, English book I'll find out. 1 minute. English book. Okay. Now, from the English book, it's page number, sorry, that was from the book, but it was not from the workbook, sorry. 1 minute, children, 1 minute. 1 minute, hold on. Yes, where is the Nikhil in trouble? Yes. It is from page number 41. Page number 41, it's not 20. It's a test book exercise. Sorry, it's a test book exercise 41. It's from the test book. Book में से है बेटा ये. This is from the book. The test book, page 41, question number 2. Add commas to the following sentences. And there the picture of Nikhil. Okay. Now we'll begin with the workbook. Okay. Workbook. Now you take out page number 20 of your workbook. Page 20. We are doing today 20 and 21. We'll begin with 20. Same exercise. We have to put a comma. Let us begin. First one. The flat green sheet of paper was on top. और sheet of paper की बात हो रही है. ठीक है. How is the sheet of paper? Yes, flat and green. So 2 adjectives. So we'll put a comma after flat. Next, she sold the broken old bicycle. Here we are talking about bicycle. This is noun. How is the bicycle? Old and broken and old. So after broken, I'll put a comma. Next, he is wearing a bright orange shirt. Here noun, we are talking about shirt. How is the shirt? Bright and orange bhi hai. So bright and orange ke beech comma. We always put a comma after between the 2 adjectives. We have more than one. His new striped shirt is torn. We are talking about the shirt. And how is the shirt? New striped. So between new and striped, I'll put a comma. Next, they threw away the empty glass bottles. So here we are talking about bottles. How is it? Empty and it is made up of glass. So between empty and glass, we will put a comma. Bottle is a noun. So here two are adjective. How is the bottle? Empty also, and it is made up of glass. Next. Okay. Yes. Now we come to question number 2. English workbook, page 20. Put the adjective in order and complete the sentence. Okay. The men were wearing dash coat. तो हम क्या लिखेंगे बेटा? पहले कैसा कोट था? हाउ वाज द कोट? पहले एज बताएंगे. वो ओल्ड था. ठीक है. फर्स्ट लेट मी टेक द पेन. Yes, it was old. Then absolutely you have to put a comma. Please don't forget. और कैसा था वो? ग्रे था. Next, she showed me her dash bangle. Bangle कैसा था? Wow, it was new. ठीक है. New, comma, shiny. 1 minute. Why it's not writing? I have to write again. ठीक है. New, okay, comma, shiny, shiny, shiny bangles. Means कितना पुराना है. I told you ना, first age type, whether it was old or whether it is new, पहले वो लिखेंगे, फिर वो कैसा है, that you will write and you have to put a comma. Next, the dash key was found by Anil. Which key? कौन सा की क्वेश्चन करना? The lost one. Excuse me. Lost, comma, and then garage. Okay beta? Lost, comma, garage. Okay. Next. Yes. His dash hair was very long. And hair कैसा था? What is the quality of the hair? Curly. Curly, comma, and what was the color? Color will come afterwards. Silver. Okay, next. The teacher told us a dash story. How was the story? Exciting, comma, and then how it was? It was an exciting new story. Exciting new story. Okay. Now, here you have to use the pair of adjective and sentence of your own. We are adjectives they have given. We have to make the sentence. You can make easy ones. It's very easy. Dark and tall. Here you can make, I saw a dark, tall man. I saw a dark, tall man. Okay. Next, green and sweet. Okay. I ate green sweet apple. I ate green, comma. We have to put a comma after adjective. Okay. Dark, tall man, green. Then sweet apple. Okay. APPLE. Next, big and brown. I have a big brown ball. Big भी है, brown भी है, and what is it? Ball. Next, dirty and torn. He is wearing, or the beggar is wearing, okay, is wearing, how is the shirt? He is wearing dirty, comma, torn shirt. Okay. Next, silver and sharp. I have a sharp, comma, silver knife. KNIFE. Okay, beta. Now, not necessary that you have to make the same whatever I have written. I have another set of the sentences I have written. See, I'll I'll show you. See, all these things have been done, children. See, they've underlined. We have put a comma. This also we have done. I'm showing you. You can take the help to complete. You have to complete the workbook, beta. Okay, here also. And here the sentences, these are the different sets of sentences. Please read the sentences, children. Up sentences padna sab. Dark and tall, with green and sweet, with big and brown, with dirty and torn, with silver and sharp. Okay, and if you want, you can make the sentence on your own. Please complete your workbook and the exercise from the book which I had told you, beta. Both workbook, textbook exercise and the workbook exercise. Please try to complete, children. Thank you, children.